Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss important questions for TGT, PGT English Literature and other English literature related teaching exams. As a practice set 21, let's start. These lines are composed by Coleridge. Joy, lady, is the spirit and the power which wedding nature to us gives in dower, a new earth and a new heaven, blank space. Which quality of his poetry is shown by these lines? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be spiritual cheerfulness. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Nahum Tate gives a happy ending to Shakespeare's King Lear. What happens in the end in this revised version? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Cordelia marries Edgar. Option D will be the right answer. Tate's version removes the fool completely as Cordelia and Edgar fall in love and has Lear retire, element recovered in his mind at the end of Act 5. Next question. What are the last 6 lines of a Petrarchan sonnet called? Octave, sestet, tercet, 6. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be sestet. Option B will be the right answer. The Petrarchan sonnet is divided into 2 stanzas. The octave, first 8 lines, followed by the answering sestet, the final 6 lines. Next question. Who has written the mystical poem Brahma? Robert Southey, Thomas Hood, R.W. Emerson, William Varnes. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be R.W. Emerson. Option C will be the right answer. Brahma is a poem by Ralph Waldo Emerson written in 1856. However, the poem was published in the November 1857 issue of the Atlantic. It is named for Brahman, the universal principle of the Vedas. Next question. Mrs. Bennet states conceit is a focal point at which emotion, sense, impression, and thought are perceived as one for metaphysical poetry, poetry of romantic movement, poetry of Elizabethan age, poetry of Victorian age. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be metaphysical poetry. Option A will be the right answer. Next question. Which of the following novels of Dickens is most autobiographical? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be David Copperfield. Option B will be the right answer. David Copperfield is the pivotal character in Charles Dickens' autobiographical novel David Copperfield, published in 1849. David Copperfield is Dickens' eighth novel that traces its eponymous protagonist and narrator's journey from infancy to adulthood. Next question. How many poets have been written by Dr. Johnson in his Lives of the English Poets? 45, 52, 57, 55. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 52. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Whose autobiography carries the title Opium Eater? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be De Quincey. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. A critic says that Pope's essay on criticism is all stolen. Name the critic. Dr. Johnson, Lady M.W. Montaigne, T.S. Eliot, Cowley. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Lady M.W. Montaigne. Option B will be the right answer. Next question. Which play of Shakespeare was inspired by Thomas Lodge's Rosalinde? What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be As You Like It. Option C will be the right answer. So friends, I hope you enjoyed learning 10 questions. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you so much.